this is an alternate version of those last four bum ditties. So with the right hand, what's going on? It's all the work is on the first string. It's